Nene what happened. Tell me what happened. What happened? Tell me. Go ahead. Don't be ashamed. Just tell me what happened. Really? And when did that happen? Tell me. You gotta tell Nene. You're not gonna get in trouble. You're not gonna get in trouble, man. Tell Nene. When it happened. Huh? Huh? You scared? Don't be scared, man. Don't be scared. Nene got you. I'm gonna protect you. Yes. Yes. So you need to let me know everything. Yes. Let me know everything. Oh. I'm gonna what? Uh-huh. And what else? What else? Yeah, tell me everything. Yeah. Uh-huh. And what else? Tell me the last stuff because I know it's some more. Mm-hmm. I thought so. For real. You know what? Somebody gonna get in trouble. Yes, you better tell it all. Yes. Oh.
Oh my God.
Tell it all. Yes. And what else? And what else? I know. Mommy here and you don't want to talk. Oh, you ain't scared? Oh, you gonna talk even more. Tell me what else mommy did. What mommy did? Yes. Yes. Okay, well I don't want you to get in trouble. You don't want no spanking, okay? So no, so we gotta stop talking, mommy here. We gotta stop talking, okay? I'm gonna talk to you later, okay? Bye bye. Bye bye. See you later.